side of my beautiful cousin. Prepare to get sick of us because it's gonna be an epic day. First thing that I want to do is probably gonna ride the Ministry of Magic. I haven't been here in a year since she brought me here. Are we gonna do a King Kong again? Sure. Let's go. Oh, look. Oh my God.
Stop, miss!
Hurry! Get to the timer!
As your word!
And me! We brought you a present, Minister.
We all saved the ministry! Thank you, friends!
The Department of Magical Creatures is closed.
The moon calls. Oh.
You like the chicken?
And now what are we gonna do?
Now your car's bouncing challenge. Let's go.
And we're gonna ride the best right here.
Is it
We're gonna be
recording?
content creators and we're gonna be famous.
I love
Yeah, you are. Is it recording already? Do I? That's so awesome.
We went into Ministry of Magic. We did the circus, incredible. We did Mario Kart. So we've been on many things. We're going on Monsters Unchained, which is my favorite ride in here. And then leave. We don't really be thriving on this heat. We got some chocolate. It was great. We always have a great time when we come to the parks, even if it's for like 2 hours.
Thank you for coming.
Well, if you like this video, make sure that you
Subscribe and like it.
and we'll see you on the next one.